Welcome to All Skill Tutor. Today's video reviews the Finch self-care pet app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer, this is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Finch is a wellness and self-care app designed to make building healthy habits more enjoyable. The app combines daily self-care practices with a virtual pet, your Finch, that grows and thrives as you complete activities. The goal is to motivate users to focus on mindfulness, reflection, and positive daily routines in a more engaging and lighthearted way. Many users highlight Finch's creative approach. Instead of just tracking habits, the app rewards you with progress as your pet develops new traits, goes on adventures, and becomes happier. Common activities include journaling, setting intentions, practicing gratitude, and checking in with your emotions. The gamified format encourages consistency without feeling like a chore. Another strength is emotional support. Finch includes mood check-ins, breathing exercises, and affirmations to help manage stress or anxiety. It also allows you to set personal goals, like drinking more water or taking short breaks, and ties them into your Finch's journey. The app is particularly popular among younger users and those who prefer a softer, more positive style of wellness tracking. However, there are some downsides. While Finch offers a free version, many of the advanced features, such as expanded self-care exercises and customization options, require a paid subscription. Some users mention that the app leans more toward gentle motivation than deep tracking, so it may not satisfy those who want detailed analytics on habits or mental health. Others note that over time, the activities can feel repetitive. In summary, Finch is worth using if you want a fun and supportive way to practice daily self-care with the help of a virtual pet. It's best for those who value gentle motivation, mindfulness, and small positive steps. But if you're looking for advanced habit tracking or data-heavy health insights, Finch might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.